welcome back. Arya, Vishal, both of you have, established yourself at quite a particular stage. You have a certain stature now, both of you, in Tamil cinema. And yet you've both chosen to act together. Yeah. So it's a trend, where young actors act together. It's a very professional trend in Bollywood, but it rarely happens in Tamil cinema. What is it that, impelled you both to...
In fact, we've been thinking for a long time. He used to come and tell me, like, let's do a film together, but it never could happen because we never hit upon a good script or nobody approached us. And I think this was the right time and the best script we could wait for to act together.
And you need some director who can give us equal
importance.
If the director says this is what he's going to make, he should make that. So you promise something and you make something doesn't work. So if you see very established director, big directors get this combination because artists go blindly and trust them. So
that is true. But what kind of films do you think will work in Tamil cinema now?
Nobody knows. I wish we all knew that. Nobody knows the answer to that.
But I'm sure good films will definitely work. So there's no two ways about it.
It's just a growing trend. Maybe today they would like romance because as a viewer, even when we go to watch films, we would want a plate full. We would want everything in one film. So satisfying the viewer is such a big challenge. That's how we keep...
And like you said, it's probably not really something today's problem per se, because even your Chellame and Sandakori, it turned out to be a hit. Your Patiyal was again like that. So to that extent, I guess you're right. You
right
can't
now,
really...
maybe I think this should be a healthy trend of two heroes or maybe three heroes coming together and giving a viewer, he pays for one hero. At the same time, he pays. This time, he's going to pay for two heroes coming at the same time on the silver screen.
And you'll also get a cross section of audience where your fans, his fans, everybody's fans. So it's going to be very wholesome entertainment. But do you see that happening in Tamil cinema?
Yeah,
it is a lot of because Manis has started it. I mean, right royally. In one film, you had Madhavan, Surya.
Even in Agni Nakshatram.
Yeah, the director has to come up
but
with...
But it does work only with big directors like Bala.
Because the confidence level is higher when two artists, come together for one film. They leave it to the director to take the responsibility of showing both the artists in a good way.
Okay. Of course, you both are fighting with each other in this film, Avan Even. But I'm sure you also are chasing girls.
No? He is, not me.
All the girls go to him when he rejects it. They come to me. I'm the helping shoulder. Just take them.
Okay. They come sobbing to you and then
crying.
He's a Casanova among the two of them.
So what a liar! Don't lie through a teeth like this. All rejected pieces.
So who gets the girl first?
Vishal.
Where we half the time we used to spend we were there for like 6 months in Teni. I think we spent more time with Bala than anyone else.
Okay, we are going to go in for a short break now, but don't go away. When we come back, we are going to pin down Arya and Vishal about their girlfriends in their real life.